Well, hello everyone, I'm John Victor Jacobson with Drone Service Systems, and look behind me over here. This is the fire in Hillsborough. We are miles and miles away. We're on our way to Jersey Hobby out in Ringo's, and we've been hearing about this on the news, and spoke with Brian Thompson earlier today with NBC, and I'm going to meet him out there. There are 4 choppers on site right now covering the event, covering this disaster, and we're going to go there and see if they'll allow us to fly. We're going to try and communicate with both the fire commanders and the pilots, and see if they will allow us some low altitude coverage of this disaster and get a closer look. So
I'm John
stay
Victor
tuned.
Jacobs with Drone Service Systems, and this is my good friend Brian Thompson with
John?
NBC.
Good to be with you.
All right. So we're here covering this fire behind us. This great big fire in Hillsborough. It's looking pretty bad, Brian.
Yeah, 2 warehouses just burnt to shells, John.
Totally gutted.
Totally gutted, and it's been going for 24 hours. They're finally getting it under control, but that's because there's nothing left to burn.
I guess sounds about right. So we're connected with the Hillsborough Police Department,
Yep.
and they're connecting with the local airport.
Okay.
And they're going to see if we can have clearance to fly a mission here and check out the damage from above.
Yeah.
With Phoenix, our drone.
There you go.
Alrighty.
I hope it comes off, because you'll see a lot of damage there.
Yeah. All right. Well,
All right.
You all stay in tuned, and we'll see what happens later on this evening.
All right.
Hello, I'm John Victor Jacobson with Drone Service Systems, and if you like to fly drones, if you like to race drones, and if you like to do area photography, you're going to want to come to Maker Festival in Homedale, New Jersey at the Bellworks property on April 15th, 16th, and 17th. It's a 3-day event, everyone, and it's going to be fantastic. For more information, come to our website and check it out.